Have you ever found yourself pondering how to turn those catchy TikTok videos into a steady stream of income? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're going to dive right into the world of TikTok monetization, unraveling its mysteries and setting you on the path to potentially earning from your TikTok content. Firstly, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Yes, TikTok is massive. With over 2 billion downloads worldwide, it's an ocean brimming with potential. But how do you tap into that potential? Let's unpack this. Step 1. Build your audience. The first and foremost requirement for making money on TikTok is having a substantial follower base. You need to stand out, and that means creating unique, engaging content that resonates with people. Be authentic, connect with your audience, and they'll keep coming back for more. Step 2. Leverage the Creator Fund. TikTok has an initiative called the Creator Fund, which pays eligible creators for their content. To qualify, you must be at least 18 years old, reside in a country where the Creator Fund is available, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and have accrued at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Step 3. Utilize TikTok's live gifts. If you're familiar with live streaming, you know about virtual gifts. These are in-app purchases that viewers can gift to creators during live sessions. Once you've accumulated enough gifts, you can convert them into diamonds, which can be exchanged for real-world money. Step 4. Partner with brands. Influencer marketing is a big deal, and brands are always on the lookout for popular creators to collaborate with. If you have a substantial following, consider reaching out to brands that align with your content and audience. Sponsored posts can be a lucrative income source. Step 5. Merchandising. If you've built a strong personal brand on TikTok, selling merchandise can be an excellent way to monetize your popularity. From t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and stickers, the possibilities are vast. In summary, making money on TikTok revolves around building a solid follower base, joining the TikTok Creator Fund, leveraging live gifts, partnering with brands, and selling merchandise. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating engaging content, understand your audience, and the monetization will follow. Indeed, the journey to TikTok monetization might seem daunting, but with the right approach and persistence, it's a road that can lead to financial rewards. So, ready to turn those TikTok videos into a money-making venture? The power is in your hands.